G'day DIYs. I'm into the architraves on this job as well. It's all good. It's a full strip out, and you know the architraves were, boy, they were crapolo. So what do? You replace them. Because old Bodgy Bob, well, he was hopeless. Had everything. Bodgy Bob, the last owner. Ooh. If it carries on me doing architraves too much, I'll buy a more expensive saw that gives me a line, and one maybe that runs off a battery. Nah. Plug the sucker in. There you are. It never goes flat. Still not quite enough. A bit more. Yeah, a laser line would be handy. If I carry on doing architraves, well, that's what I'll get, another saw with a laser. A little bit closer. We have success. It works out well because I've run out of glue. I'm not going to mix up any more because I've sort of got half an hour to go before I knock off. So now that's a little bit long. Take a bit off, Crusoe. If you're half smart, well then you take a bit off the bottom instead of fluffing around struggling to cut off a couple of mil. It's easier to just cut some off the bottom. And you're laughing. All we need is a hammer. Yeah, so I'll be set up. Set up for the morning. You shouldn't hit the timber like that. You should stop. Stop before you nail it all the way home. Like that. I like it. Lovely, tell your mum. Where the hell's the other piece? Boy, it's not even timber. What's that stuff called? Crapolo board.